Hello everyone, I am here to share an inspirational story of relationship between Lord Krishna and holy river Yamuna. The story of Yamuna and Lord Krishna's relationship is a significant one in Hindu mythology. Yamuna is the holy river goddess and Krishna the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu had a deep connection with her. Lord Vasudeva was crossing river Yamuna with his eighth son, Lord Krishna. But the river was flowing at very high level and not letting Lord Vasudeva cross it. She wanted to wash Lord Krishna's feet as it would be very auspicious and great blessing for her. So Lord Krishna took out his feet for river Yamuna. She washed the feet and took blessing of becoming his wife. That's why Lord Krishna is also known as Yamunapati, and he spent many years with his flute on the bank of the river Yamuna. I hope you will like the story, and with this note, wish you all happy Janmashtami.